Welcome back to our channel, friends. Today we are learning how to generate passive income by selling your digital art online. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, or visit us at pinkpassiveincome.com. Let's get started. Are you looking to derive a passive source of income by selling digital art? Or if you are already selling art, it can be a very wise decision to expand your art business beyond the main revenue sources of selling original works and prints. It's crucial to diversify your sources of revenue so that you may continue to receive cash even if one gallery closes. Here are 6 ways that may serve to propel your digital art business. We'll show you how to get inventive with your own enterprise and discover fresh streams of passive income to support you to remain afloat and also grow. Number 1, create and sell an online art course and tutorials. Today, those who want to create a living as artists have the option of teaching art online. Everyone uses instructional videos, and there is a big market for them. You may sell your instructional videos as lessons through a personal website, Amazon, as well as educational websites such as Udemy and Skillshare. Number 2, sell print-on-demand products. Artists are increasingly using print-on-demand platforms as a way to generate additional passive revenue. The benefits are obvious. Print-on-demand does away with the necessity for a sizable initial investment as well as the printing expenses for artists. It also allows you to launch your art company immediately, even before you create a website, saving you time, money, and stress. For a peek into high-performing print-on-demand websites, please visit our previously aired video, How to Start a Print-on-Demand Business. Number 3, teach art on YouTube. You should consider joining the majority of people who use YouTube as their primary resource for instructions on how to accomplish practically everything. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and ranking your material there is simpler than it is on Google. Making YouTube videos and adding links to them on your website will drive traffic there for years to come. YouTube is considerably more than just an advertising platform, contrary to popular belief. You can approach creating YouTube videos in one of 2 ways. You can create a unique video to go along with a blog post or create a YouTube channel and upload content frequently. Number 4, create a coffee table book of your artwork. After building up a sizable portfolio, think about compiling your work into a stylish coffee table book. You can either use a nearby printer or develop one online through a print-on-demand service provider such as Snapfish or Shutterfly. Number 5, sell art prints and originals on online art platforms. Art is increasingly being sold online rather than in traditional settings as each year goes by. Even galleries, which have historically been a shelter for in-person sales, are experiencing an increase in online sales. In fact, several new galleries claim that more than 50% of their sales takes place online, which means that the majority of their customers are strangers to them. More and more art fans are becoming accustomed to purchasing art online, from expensive fine art to specialized crafts. Some of the online art platforms you may consider are ArtStation, Artfinder, Amazon Handmade, and eBay. Number 6, license your art. Licensing involves making an agreement for the commercial use of your artwork. The agreement is between you as the owner of the artwork and the company seeking to use the work. You must agree on a price and time frame for the usage of your artwork. Typically, your artwork or design will be applied to specific items of stationery, home decor, clothing, or any other product that needs a visual to promote sales. Overall, it can take a lot of work to start a passive income stream, and it might even cost money. Additionally, getting started might be a lengthy process. However, if you're prepared to put in the effort and persevere, you'll be very happy you took that step. That's it for this week's episode on how to generate passive income by selling your digital art online. Looking to learn more about how to generate passive income? Join us each week by remembering to like, share, comment, and subscribe, or visit us at pinkpassiveincome.com. We'll see you next week.